Good morning, tubers, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle, and this is Discover Rescue. If you like anything to do with animals, or Airstream, or travel, well, this is the place for you. And you should definitely hit that little subscribe button. Hit it. You know you want to. Today's episode is going to be animal related, and I have been putting up a series called A Day in the Life. And my first part was me trying to put the goats out, but it did not go as planned because there was cows in the pasture, blah, 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 blah. I'll link that video right here. But I realized that I had not posted a somewhat regular morning of letting the goats out. And this is a replay of part 1. So I shall call this A Day in the Life part 1B. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Letting the goats out in the morning can sometimes be really interesting, to say the least. We have a few characters, one mainly called Kevin. I'm sure you know about Kevin by now. Yeah. Morning, Acorn. Hey, silly goatees. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Frankie Franksters. Ooh, Kevy. Billy-o. Leave it alone. Good morning, Frankie. Good morning, lammies. What we doing? We smell like peanuts. Did we eat lots of peanuts last night? Good morning, Joni. Come on. Come on, everybody. Good job, Billy-o. Go. Go. Kevy. Okay, everybody out of Frankie's stall, please. Come on. Mama. Ginger. Baby. Move. Go. Go on. Wow. That's a heck of a move. Frankie, you know the drill. Kevy, you too. Go on. Go on. No. Go. Go, 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 go. Kev, go. No. Oh my God. Everybody, out. Get out of here. Mama, go. Go on, Gracie Poo. Go. He's behind me. Kev, go rattle your herd. Go, 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 go. Come on. Oh my God, you guys. Every day, twice a day. Go on, Kevy, tell everybody. Gracie, go. Acorn, go on. Frankie. Of course. Frankie. Frankie. Guys. Let's back up. Let's go in there. No, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Acorn. Go. Go. Billy-o. Thank you. Frankie. Frankie. I swear it's not normally this hard, guys. Frankie! Psst. Hey! Oh my God, he is so threatened by me. Let's go! Go on, Mister. You know the drill. Whoa, there we go. Now we got Bert, man. Hey, Bert. What you doing, big boy? I know. I coming. Mister, you are causing some serious drama. And I do not care how cute you are. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job. And done. Oh, Kevin found a buddy. And Billy-o doesn't like it. Kevy, do you have a crush?